Hey everyone, today CGN is presenting a special video review of the Kindle keyboard in honor of Amazon's big event this week, where they will likely update the entire Kindle line. Let's go ahead and get started. The Kindle keyboard was released in 2010 as a successor to the original Kindle. Although it did not rival its brothers, the Kindle Touch and the basic Kindle, in terms of interface or affordability, it was nonetheless a premium device. Here is 4 reasons why the Kindle keyboard is worth a look even today. First, a physical keyboard, however uncomfortable, is always better than only having a few physical controls. The basic Kindle is hard to figure out at first, with its minimal buttons, and the Kindle Touch is not known for having the most accurate touchscreen. Also, the Kindle keyboard has a 5-direction control pad, which is an intuitive way to navigate menus and select books. Second, the Kindle keyboard arguably has the best audio system of the line. Its speakers, although not iPod quality, do suffice for audiobooks and even the occasional MP3. And obviously, if you listen with headphones, the audio is even better. Third, for some reason the Kindle keyboard has twice as long as a battery as its brethren, the Kindle Touch and the basic Kindle. Although all Kindles last for a minimum of 3 weeks, the Kindle keyboard has lasted up to 6 weeks of intensive use, and all Kindles have long batteries, so this extra time may not be crucial, but it's still a nice touch. Last, the Kindle keyboard has a greater storage capacity than the basic Kindle. Books don't take up that much space, but audiobooks do, so more auditory readers may want a Kindle keyboard. I suppose someone wanting to download thousands of ebooks would also need a Kindle keyboard for the space, but not many people do this, so a Kindle Touch or a basic Kindle should be enough for most people. Of course, the Kindle keyboard also shares some quality features with its brothers, the Kindle Touch and the Kindle Basic. For example, both the Kindle Touch and the Kindle keyboard offer 3G capabilities, something handy for people looking to download books on the go. Also, Kindles all have Amazon's famous e-ink display, making them easier on the eyes when you are reading a book than a tablet would. Also, all Kindles come preloaded with your account details and are ready to pre-purchase books from the moment you switch them on. Now, I hate to point out the flaws in an outstanding device, but I suppose it must be done for this to be a complete review. The Kindle keyboard does have clunky buttons, which are hard to press and uncomfortable to use. I didn't experience too many problems with this, but many users have complained that they find it hard to type, and I must agree that it is harder to type on a Kindle than it would be on a touchscreen device. Another thing that's a problem is that PDFs are very hard to read on a Kindle, since they are very small in normal mode and are just barely visible in landscape mode. Another bad thing is that Kindle keyboards do come with ads if you do get the ad-enabled version. This basically means that when you switch your Kindle off, an ad will display on the screen, which you have no control over. This can be annoying for people looking to just turn their Kindle off and not have to worry about advertisers pushing forward their content. Other than these 3 things, though, I didn't really notice any significant downfalls in the Kindle keyboard's design or software. Obviously, it's a little late to be reviewing the Kindle keyboard, as Amazon released it last year, but this review is more of an anticipation for the new Kindle line that will be released this week. Amazon has monopolized the ebook market with their Kindles, and it is safe to say that their new models will be just as good, if not better, as the current ones. For full coverage of Amazon's event on September the 6th, 2012, check CTN's website this Thursday. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks again.